Well, hello again. My name's Cam. I'm the host of AR Daily, where we bring you breaking news on everything in the augmented reality space. Before we get into the video today, I'd like for you to like and subscribe the video, or dislike the video if you want to, comment, hit the bell if you want notifications. Any kind of interaction with the channel helps. And let's get started. All right. So we're going to be talking about this article from The Verge, which is really talking about Meta's vision for the next 4 years and a list of products that they're going to be coming out with that they're currently developing right now. So let's get started. This is Meta's AR/VR hardware roadmap for the next 4 years. During an internal presentation, Meta execs laid out plans for 3 new Quest headsets, AR glasses in 2027, and a neural interface smartwatch. So we're gonna be looking past the Quest headset stuff and go directly into the AR glasses and see what they're talking about with this neural interface. Meta plans to release its first pair of smart glasses with a display in 2025, alongside a neural interface smartwatch designed to control them, The Verge has learned. Meanwhile, its first pair of full-fledged AR glasses, which CEO Mark Zuckerberg has predicted will eventually be used as widely as mobile phones, is planned for 2027, which is quite the statement here. And so I think he's starting to realize how important AR is and how much it's going to be more adopted than VR. I'm not really sure why he skipped AR and went directly to VR when VR is much more demanding, but I feel like he's coming back and getting honed in. The investors have weighed in heavily, and Facebook, Meta, has taken a huge drop in valuation because the investors are reacting to the vision of VR and they're not liking it. But if he can repackage AR and try to push this, I feel like people will come back and put more faith into him. I personally am not a fan. The details were shared with thousands of employees in Meta's Reality Labs division on Tuesday during a roadmap presentation of its AR and VR efforts that was shared with The Verge. Altogether, they show how Meta is planning to keep investing in consumer hardware after a series of setbacks. With regards to a VR roadmap, employees were told that Meta's flagship Quest 3 headset coming later this year will be 2 times thinner, at least twice as powerful, and cost slightly more than $400. So this kind of gives us a ballpark of what to expect with the AR smart glasses, because VR headsets are demanding with graphics, so the hardware is demanding, and the overall build of it takes a lot of parts. And so something more simple like the smart glasses should be able to give us a lower price point than $400. So I'm seeing that it would make sense that the price point would be below the VR headsets because there's less equipment involved, but the demand could be so high that it could push the price up higher than the Quest. So eager to see what the price will be for the smart glasses. Meta has sold nearly 20 million Quests, Mark, president of VR, told employees during the presentation. As you can see here, they're showing the Quest 2, and it's, clearly it's foreign. No grandmother would put this on. No boomer would wear this. Hardly any millennials would even wear this, especially out and about. You're kind of vulnerable. You can't see through these things unless it's like on certain settings where you're trying to map out your environment. It's just very foreign, and we're not there yet. But it's funny because if you scroll down and get to the AR portion, it's just a man wearing normal bifocals. And so this is clearly more seamless and just gonna be more accepted widely by all different age groups and pretty much everyone that wears glasses or sunglasses. Aside from the Quest lineup, Meta also has thousands of employees building future AR glasses and wrist devices for controlling them. So they keep on saying that the smartwatch is going to power or at least accent the smart glasses, much like how the watch interfaces with your phone right now. It's going to be, 4 devices pretty much: your headset, AirPods, whatever it is, your smartwatch, your smartphone, and your smart glasses. So they're saying holy grail device that will redefine our relationship with technology by the end of this decade. So he's coming out with huge visions here of what AR is going to be able to offer. And I think he's going in the right direction now and kind of, putting VR on the back burner, as he should. During Tuesday's roadmap presentation, Alex Himmel, the company's vice president for AR, laid out the plan for a bevy of devices through 2027. The first launch will come this fall with the second generation of Meta's camera-equipped smart glasses released in 2021 with Luxottica, the parent company of Ray-Ban. I didn't even really see any kind of ad push for this in 2021. I think Quest 2 is everywhere. I live in Hollywood, and there's billboards everywhere in Hollywood, and I didn't see any kind of ad push for the smart glasses. All I saw was Quest 2. So that just shows they're not really there yet with development, but by 2027, I feel like that's going to be their flagship item, and they're going to put a lot of ad money behind it to try to get it into as many hands as possible. In 2025, Himmel said the third generation of the smart glasses will ship with a display that he called a viewfinder for viewing incoming text messages, scanning QR codes, and translating text from another language in real time. And so if you can translate text in real time, you can probably do, reading, so text to speech as well, just normal reading. The glasses will come with a neural interface band that allows the wearer to control the glasses through hand movements, such as swiping fingers on an imaginary D-pad. Eventually, he said the band will let the wearer use a virtual keyboard and type at the same words per minute as what mobile phones allow. So that's pretty much the bulk. Here's a picture of the actual 2021 released smart glasses. So it's light and day to VR. We're not here yet. This is not widely accepted. Hardcore gamers only, pretty much. This is everyone under the sun. Anyone that wears glasses, bifocals, or sunglasses. And so you're starting to see Meta, their vision. I'm going to continue to start covering Google, Apple's AR development. And so stick around, like, subscribe, hit me with a comment. I'm very responsive. I'm trying to build this channel. So in the coming years, I'll be testing all this tech, and I'll be able to give you reviews and advice on, what not to buy and what to buy. So hang in there, and I'll see you next episode. Take care.